May 2021 was one of the most happening months in the world of digital marketing, ranging from Twitter verification process to YouTube new clips option. Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Marketing Gyan, the podcast where I keep on sharing some of the informative tools, techniques and latest updates in digital marketing domain. My name is Prince Kumar Singh and today in this episode I will be sharing the top 5 digital marketing news of May 2021. The first news is regarding Twitter profile verification. On 20th May 2021, Twitter had announced that it is reopening public applications for profile verification, also known as the Blue Badge Verification Program, which have been on pause since 2017 due to several confusion around the process. But on May 29th, Twitter again tweeted that it has paused the verification request for some time. It will not accept any more applications for now, while they will review the ones that have already been submitted. Twitter had relaunched the verification program this time with 6 categories, that is government, companies, brands and organizations, news organizations and journalists, entertainment, sports and gaming, activists, organizers and other influential individuals. Twitter said that it will introduce more categories later this year, such as those for scientists, academicians, and religious leaders. Second news is regarding YouTube expanding access to its new clips option. YouTube is working on new clip option which will enable users to select and share a small portion of eligible video clip that can be up to 60 seconds in length, which will then play on a loop directly on the original video watch page. It could come in handy for highlighting specific segments or moments to your social feeds. On YouTube support page, they have highlighted that Clips is currently in limited alpha phase. Right now, a limited number of channels have the clip feature turned on for their channel. While creators cannot sign up for participate in the alpha, YouTube said that it will be rolling out its new clip option over the coming weeks, providing another way to share specific segments from YouTube videos. The process to create and share a clip is: start watching an eligible video on YouTube. Under the video, click the clip icon. A create clip box will appear. Select the section of the video you'd like to clip. You can increase maximum of 60 seconds or decrease a minimum of 5 seconds the length of your selection by dragging the slider. Give the clip a title that can be a max of 140 characters, and then at the end click the share clip button. You will be getting all the share options, and from there you can share those specific clips on your social media platforms. The third news is regarding Instagram introducing new insights for Reels and Live. On 24th May, Instagram made an announcement for the content creators of its platform, which mentioned that they are going to add new engagement insights for Reels and Instagram Live broadcast within the app. Instagram highlighted in its news section that for Reels it will be showing new metrics, which includes plays, account reached, likes, comment, saves and shares. For live broadcast, it will be showing account reached, peak concurrent viewers, comments and shares. It will also be including these metrics in Account Insight to provide a broader picture into how Reels and Live shape an account's performance. Additionally, Instagram is launching new detailed information about reach in Accounts Insight. Since understanding more about how content is being distributed is important, Therefore, they have built new breakdowns that will provide transparency into which type of account you are reaching and which content formats are the most effective at driving reach. Instagram is also planning to bring insights on desktop, which is currently limited to app. The fourth news is Facebook and Instagram will now allow users to hide like counts on posts. According to the announcement made on 26 May 2021, Facebook and Instagram are rolling out the option to hide like counts on all posts in the newsfeed. Now, you will also have the option to hide like counts on your own post, so others can't see how many likes your post got. With this way, you can focus on the photos and the videos being shared, instead of how many likes posts get. You can also choose to hide like counts before sharing a post. You can turn this setting on or off even after it goes live. In the next few weeks, one can see both of these controls active on their Facebook and Instagram channel. Instagram team stated that they have tested hiding like counts to see if it might depressurize people's experience on Instagram, and what they heard from people and experts was that not seeing like counts was beneficial for some, but annoying for others. Particularly because people use like count to get a sense of what's trending or popular, and that is why they are making it as an optional for everyone to choose. Instagram first started testing hidden like counts with some users back in 2019, before expanding it to selected regions over time. Then COVID-19 happened and the project was shelved for almost a year. But recently, Instagram chief Adam Mosseri explained that it was back on the agenda as the company sought the best way forward to provide an optimal user experience. The fifth most important news of May month was LinkedIn introduced organic post boosting and event ad among multiple new features. LinkedIn has recently announced its new feature including boosting organic posts and event advertisement along with two supplementary features that will largely benefit marketers on the platform. Rishi Jobanputra, the senior director and product manager at LinkedIn, enlightened the digital marketers of this new initiative through an online article which was published on 25th May 2021. The article stated that the company would be incorporating easy and innovative post boosting, event advertisement, custom streaming, and ingenious event analytics tool into their program. Just like Facebook, LinkedIn now enables users to boost their post presence on the platform through a single click, followed by an uncomplicated payment process. The prime benefit of this service includes expanding your reach, helping you grow, and amplifying the impact of your work. With this new tool, LinkedIn will also help in amplifying event promotion with newest ad format, event ad, and measure the organic reach and engagement with new event analytics. The event ad feature helps you promote your event by highlighting key event details like date, time, and how to join your event to an entirely new audience, while also allowing members to learn if a mutual connection has expressed interest in attending. So these were the top 5 news of May 2021. Hope you have enjoyed it. Looking forward to meet you next time. Till then, bye.